Umkhwanazi uthi owabe engungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBhekicele wacela umkhuzi wamaphoyisa esifundeni saseZululand uMajor General Jabu Khumalo ukuthi esule emsebenzini eze ezosiza eGauteng. Nokuyinto ke eyamethusa kakhulu ngoba kwakungeyona imfihlo ukuthi yena noKhumalo abathelelani amanzi.
My surprise was, but when Gerald Cele was in the police, he did not like the General Khumalo. He didn't like him at all. So why now that he's out of the police, he trust Khumalo to come and work with him in Gauteng?
Uthi uCele akagcinanga lapho wabe esecela ukuthi uKhumalo ehle esikhundleni sakhe ukuze avikele uMajor General Feroz Khan.
I phoned Gerald Khumalo and said, Gerald Khumalo, this is a request I received from Gerald Cele. Gerald Khumalo just laughed and he said, well, don't worry, the general is not serious about that. So I asked him, what do you mean? He said, no, he's not serious. He wants me to back off on the case against Khan, General Khan from Crime Intelligence. So Cele is pursuing Khumalo to resign from the police so that he can stay away from the disciplinary case because he was appointed to deal with that case departmentally against Gerald Khan.
Uthi wadumala kakhulu ngalesi senzo kusukela ngalolo suku akaphindanga wakhuluma noBhekicele.
And that got me so upset, commissioners, that can really Gerald Cele go to the extent of wanting a person to resign from the service because he wants to protect someone? It was very strange. I did not talk to Gerald Cele from the day.
Uphinde wachaza nangokuthi amaphoyisa asetshenziswa kanjani izikhulu eziphezulu ukhulumeni ukuze elwe izimpi zombusazwe ikakhulukazi ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu.
So far, in terms of the executives we had in the police, it's the Minister Senzo Mchunu with this level of interferences that I've displayed, and also Gerald Cele with the interference in terms of the disciplinary matters that I spoke about earlier.
Uchaze nangobudlelwane usomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Keth Matlala anabo nowabe engungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBhekicele okufaka phakathi nokushintshisana ngemali.
When the contract of 360 million rand was awarded to Mr. Matlala and the police, Gerald Cele was the Minister of Police. I'm not saying that he had a role to play on that one, but I'm just saying it's something interesting to look at because we see communication that the team will come and reflect on between the very same Mr. Matlala and General Cele, the communication as we have listed there, which dates back to December last year, 2024.
Khathi ebuzwa ngendlela ayegqoke ngayo ngosuku lwesithangami aqhumisa ngalo ibhomu lezinsolo ngamaphoyisa umhlazi isithupha kuNtolikazi umkhwanazi uphendule kanje.
We wanted to communicate a message to South Africa that we are ready and communicate a message to this drug squad, politicians, the executive, police officers within law enforcement agencies that we're ready for them. So for me, we were pushed to the corner that for us to counter this, what is happening, let's draw attention of South Africa for them to realize the battle that we're about to face.
Kanti ikhomishana izoqhubeka ngomsombuluko.